In this lesson, we will learn how to handle split transactions in the CPJ. That means one EFT payment used for more than one type of expense. A split transaction happens when one payment is made, but it includes more than one kind of item, like stationery and equipment. In the CPJ, we need to split that amount between the correct columns. On the 5th of May, Tuli from Tuli's Printing paid 2,500 Rand to CNA using an EFT. She bought stationery for 250 Rand and a printer for 2,250 Rand. The printer is equipment. We record the full 2,500 Rand in the bank column because that's the total amount paid. Then we split the expenses. 250 Rand goes to stationery and 2,250 Rand goes to equipment. Split transactions help us keep our CPJ accurate. Each item must appear in the correct column so that totals balance when we close off the journal using cross-casting. Always check what each payment includes. If it covers more than one type of expense, split it.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.